Oh, just mistreatment. Definition, mistreatment by white people against non-white people, people that they classify as non-white. Mistreatment by those white people, not all white people, but mistreatment by those white people who have chosen to mistreat people that they classify as non-white based on color in all areas of activity: economics, education, entertainment, labor, law, politics, religion, sex, and war. Racism is just about mistreatment. That's all it is, based on color.
All righty.
It's a very simple formula, because it's very difficult to tell what is constructive and what is non-constructive, except you find out by trial and error, okay? And we have found some things to have what we would say is a constructive effect, and I'll give an example, see, because you have to use examples. That's the only way you really know. Is water, pure water, what we call drinking water, does it have a more constructive effect on a person's body than a fifth of vodka? And the only way you know that is you drink some water, and then you drink some vodka, and then you see what happens to the body. That's the only measure you go by. Not what somebody says, but what actually happens. And you do that with everything in the known universe. Now, fire serves a purpose. Fire can be used for a constructive purpose, or it can be used for a non-constructive purpose, simply by what you apply fire to. Okay? So you can take fire and you can warm a person's body. When a person, if you're in the Arctic Circle, you need some heat. So if you can get a little bit of fire, that can help do what? Get you another day in the Arctic Circle. Otherwise, you might freeze to death. All right? So you get a little bit of fire, and the result is you're here another day and another day and another day, and as long as you have a little bit of heat, you can survive.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, in that 100 degrees below zero weather, okay? Now, also, you can take that same fire and throw a person on the fire or in the fire, and you get a non-constructive effect. So people who have appeared on the planet, I don't know about the first people, they may have known all of this, just by being here, because whatever created us may have given the first person or the first people that information. But now you have to find out that information after you get here. So it's just a trial and error, constructive, non-constructive. And the only way you know the difference between what's constructive and what's non-constructive is by the effect.